our flat tire. So we take the pin out, put this to the side. Yeah, and then we can take the whole wheel off. And now we have a wheel with a flat tire, right? Something wrong. So this is a rim that is going to be separated, I think. So that's how you get the tire off, and that's what we're trying to do with this.
Why not throw that tire in the garbage and just get a new tire? Isn't that easier?
I don't know, is this good enough? We have a 12 millimeter here. Okay.
Tire at Harbor Freight, $8.99.
Let's try to turn this the right way, and then there's 14 here. Okay. Look at this, it's very easy here to loosen. It's not very tight because the quality of those balls is really not a good quality. So if you over tighten, you know, things fall apart.
That's actually smart to use 13 millimeter on one side and 14 millimeter on the other side.
It's like
That way you only need one tool set.
maybe a $5 tire or what, right? Now you would say, why are you trying to fix it? Because most likely the time it takes me to go to the store to find a new tire is much longer, you know, than doing it here. As you can see now, this came out easy. Now what we're going to look for is if there is any sharp edges around here. No rust or anything, so this is good. This one comes out here. Oh, we need to remove this part here.
Remove the Schrader valve.
This piece of rim. Also smooth and nice, no sharp edge. Very good. So where is it losing? This here looks like a hole on this side.
Put it underwater. Look for the bubbles.
So yeah, what we need to do is we need to take the thing out in between here and look inside to see where it's leaking.
Schrader's still in there.
So we need to get the air, all the air out. That's why we have this pin, right? Well, it is almost out all the way. Then I would say give it a little more tug.
You are not strong enough?
Man, it's hard on that. It for sure would help if somebody could help me.
You are on your own, buddy.
No, I need to remove all the air. It doesn't help. So now that I think about it, before I rip all this apart, I should have checked the valve first.
I told you so. Listen to me.
You know, if the valve is leaking, then you don't have to take the whole thing apart.
No shit, Sherlock.
Here's the Schrader valve. It looks okay. Okay, let's try to get this out now. Oh, that's much easier now. There we have it. Okay, we have to inflate this and look. And then in here we have to look for sharp edges. Pieces. There is rubber pieces in there. Then we inflate the tube and see what gives.
Leave the Schrader out.
We'll stretch the fucker a little.
Oh no, don't pop it.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Here. You can hear it immediately.
Mark it with a marker.
There is a manufacturing defect. Here,
Factory defect, of course.
I don't know if you see in the camera the hole, but there's the hole. So that makes a fix pretty easy. You have to roughen up the surface and then just glue on a new thing.
Yeah, fix kit from Walmart.
You would also mark the area. That you exactly fix it in the spot where it happens. So what needs to be done now is to roughen this up.
I like it rough.
The rubber. You see how I do this? If you have this in your car, then good luck. This is all like a little rougher. So we need to put some glue on. Oh, it's open. Okay. It's plenty.
Enough for a truck tire, wow.
As the kids, we always used our fingers. This has to be dry now. The glue, right?
Avoid chemicals on your
You
skin.
dry this first. And when you get the glue all over the place, it's not so good because you will never get the tire back out. Is this done now? No, not good. That was the problem, to get it in here without coming off. And for this video, I'm doing this too fast. I do not feel comfortable with my repair here, to be honest. I have here. Okay. Oh. Okay, this goes in here like this. And then this goes in here. Here. Remember? It went this way. And so you basically put it back together as it was. First, all those screws back on. So, and then we have to put it back together. Okay, so I need to use this tool.
Always safer. Tighten by hand.
Manually to not kill this. All right, so I don't know the PSI on this.
This one needs 30 psi.
Oh, here it says 30.
Don't blow your
It
balls
says
up.
30 psi is good. Maybe it's not good to get so close to your parts. You know, when it pops, it doesn't take your best parts off. So now we will see tomorrow. If there's still air in tomorrow, then it was good, right? Let's look at this here. Oh, there's it over here. I'm gonna put it back on. A little bit grease would not hurt. Of course, my hand is in the way, but Yeah. There it is. Oh. There we go. We have air again. Nice.